means whomever actually live in front of the road. Okay, actually that person actually working as a beggar. Suppose if you provide them one chocolate, no, definitely they will smile. Okay, with the suppose if you provide them the chocolate of the 1 rupees, but also they will smile. Means this is also the one kind of better thing for us for the learning. Okay, we should feel happy with the less thing. Means sometimes we think that what our parents doing for us. आपले parents आपल्यासाठी काय करत. Means sometimes we think like that, but this is not a better for us. Okay, only because of parents today we all are gathered here. Seriously, our parents paid the 7,000 fees, whatever the fees of the class, our parents provide us. So means at the morning also, at the noon also, at the evening. Yeah, you.
It's more important for us. Education is more important for us. And we are talking about online education and offline education. According to me and my knowledge, on offline education is better than online education, because in offline education there is interacting between teachers and student, and in online education there is no interacting between teacher and student. So it's all more also good.
Means according to your point of view, offline education always better than the
Yes,
online.
yes.
But you know that suppose if today you are not feeling well, okay, then suppose if you are unable to attend the lecture, how you will get that lecture in the next day?
You know what, brother? Many parents give mobile to their student, and they think that my student attend online lecture. They never ever think her children play video game and all things.
Actually, you know that our platform is a offline platform actually. Okay,
Yeah.
means some students came here for the time pass. Like that things also happen in online education. According to my point of view, online education always better than the offline.
How?
Hmm?
How?
Means suppose if you are unable to attend the today's lecture, definitely you will get that lecture tomorrow also. Suppose if you are unable to understand that lecture, what actually sir said, teacher said.
You know what, brother?
Lots of-
in our hand mobile is there, and then we never ever do study. We use like social media. And
You know that in a mobile, focus mode is also there. Suppose if you switch on the focus mode, definitely you will log whatever the notifications and whatever the applications like Instagram, Snapchat.
Yeah.
Means each and everything is
They
up to
disturb
you,
us.
no. Actually, suppose if you purchase the laptop, okay, in the help of the laptop also you will get more much knowledge. In a laptop, softwares is there, not applications. That's okay. Which one is the better, online or
According
offline?
to me, both are better,
Hmm.
because in the pandemic we use always online education, and nowadays our means pandemic is finished, so nowadays we are using offline education, because in offline education we communicate with the teacher in the front of us.
Face to
Means
face.
yeah, face to face we can ask everything.
You're absolutely right, brother.
Yeah.
Actually, suppose if you attending a lecture up to the 1 hour,
Yeah.
okay, means each and everything have the capacity.
Yeah.
Our mind have also the capacity. Okay, suppose if you start the lecture, okay, and up to the 2 hour, means at the end you will get nothing. Why? Because at the end your mind want the rest.
Yeah.
That's why suppose if you switch on the online lecture, okay, suppose if you means in an online lecture we are able to take a break like that.
So
After
that
break
time
you
you can say-
also restart your session. That's why online education always better than the offline.
Okay.
Means you know that each and everything require the update. I think we should also try to update ourselves.
Yes, that's the criteria of my point.
Of डाव करून दे. स्विच घेऊन घेऊ आणि ऑफ